Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be fitting these up on the roof. And if you build an overland vehicle, you need some recovery gear to get you through trails or get you unstuck if you happen to get stuck. So today we're going to be mounting these up on the rack. Kind of the only place I can mount them for now. In this kit you get mounting brackets, hardware for mounting, board mounts, your locking nuts. This kit comes with 2 boards. These boards are fairly high rated on Amazon. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description. But rated up to 10 tons, UV resistant, some good durability. So we'll put them to the test, mount them up. There's 4 pegs on here, but the weird part is only 2 of them are usable. So these 2 inner ones. So yeah, there's only 2 mounting holes that you can use. Choose the right mounting hole spacing to fit your recovery track. So this is going to mount to your car, and those go through the board. Then you've got these 2 locking nuts that'll secure that down. Obviously you have room for 2 boards. 2 boards on there, and they also include a lock. Alright, let's go get this thing mounted up on the roof. I'm going to grab some nuts to put into our T-slots because the nuts they gave in the package won't actually work in these rails. Obviously that's a little bit of a difference, so if you don't have these nuts, I'll see if I can find a link for you. You can pick some of these up. These will just drop right into these slots, and then you can mount your mounts right to them, and you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a board. I kind of want to center it in between, in the middle of the rack. So I'll go ahead and stick these in. See where that's gonna set. Just off of the tent here. Make sure I'm centered. I'm actually moving this rail just slightly forward. These slots aren't quite big enough for my bolts, but I'm gonna make it work. Make sure I got it centered, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten it down. Got there. Alright guys, I'm changing out the smaller washers here for 2 thicker ones because I think my bolts are a little bit too long to tighten up into the track, and this plate is like a 1/8 inch plate, and I think these are more meant for 3/16 or 1/4 inch. So got some thicker washers in there stacked up. Go ahead and tighten these down and we should be good to go. I noticed putting these on, they don't quite fit on here. They're too long. So I'm just gonna go take this, cut it down 1/4 inch. We should be good. Alright guys, trimmed them down a little bit. Now they fit on there. Snug that down. Alright, we've got them all up installed and ready to go. Ready for some adventures. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful in mounting traction boards to your roof rack. This is just where I've got them temporarily for now. Eventually I'll get them back in the back. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you in the next one.